NEATO, the world's most innovative tool management system. To use NEATO, attach the clamp base to your work area. Position the arms using 2 hands, with 1 hand below the blue line for best results. Next, add your attachments, like the NEATO Magnet Tub and the NEATO Magnet Board. The NEATO work light can be added by first attaching the magnetic holder, then the light. You can adjust the angle as needed. Now your NEATO is set up. You can add the tools and parts that you'll be needing for the job. Simply swap out the attachments to suit your workflow. Add the NEATO phone holder to free up your hands. Plus there's a NEATO Funnel to help prevent spills. Working with NEATO is like having an extra set of hands. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. NEATO, from inurZONE, creating time, maximising efficiency.